In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ChatGPT profile picture. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing your profile picture on ChatGPT is really straightforward and only takes a minute, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're at the right place. Navigate to the ChatGPT website in your browser and please confirm that you're signed in to the correct account. This part is crucial because the profile picture you change will only apply to the account you're currently logged into. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the main screen of ChatGPT. Take a moment to look at the bottom left corner of the page. This is where you will find your profile area. It's pretty easy to spot. Now go ahead and click on your profile icon. It might be a simple silhouette or a generic photo if you haven't set one yet. After clicking your profile icon, you'll see an option to click on your name. Doing this will take you directly into your account settings, where you can manage anything related to your ChatGPT account, including your personal details. If you don't see your name right away, don't worry. Just take a closer look at the left sidebar of the screen. That's usually where the personal options reside. Once you're inside your profile settings, your next step is to find the camera icon. This little icon is the key to changing your picture. It's your golden ticket. Go ahead and click that camera icon. Now, a window should pop up to allow you to choose a photo from your device. This is an important moment, so choose wisely. Pick a photo that's clear and represents the image you want to project. Ideally, a simple, well-lit image works best. You really want your picture to be inviting, especially if you're engaging with others on the platform. After you've selected your desired photo, ChatGPT may then give you the option to adjust or preview it before finalizing your choice. It's a good idea to take a close look here. Ensure that your picture is aligned just right and that it looks the way you want it to look. If you're pleased with how it appears, go ahead and hit that Save button. And that's your final step. By clicking Save, you're confirming the new profile picture, and voila! Your ChatGPT profile picture has now been changed successfully. How easy was that? Once you've saved your image, you can navigate back to the main interface. You should be able to see your updated profile image in the account area. Keep in mind, if it doesn't show up immediately, there's no need to panic. Sometimes you just need to refresh the page or sign out and back in. That normally does the trick. So if this guide helped you change your profile picture, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Changing your profile picture doesn't have to be daunting, and I'm thrilled I could help you with it today.